Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ako po muli si RJ Enseñado at welcome back sa aking channel, GTR Math Tutorial. So shout out sa mga katrabaho ko sa William Hill, lalo na sa mga sports trader. So more winnings to us and less mistakes. So ayan, naka-uniform pa ako, galing pa sa trabaho, William Hill. So sana masuportahan niyo po ako sa pag-like, subscribe, and pag-share ng mga video lessons ko hanggang makaabot ito sa mga students na nangangailangan ng tulong sa mathematics. So ang lesson natin for today ay derivative of a product or product rule. So ang formula, so if we have u and v are differentiable function of x, so the derivative of u times v with respect to x is equal to u times derivative of v with respect to x plus v times derivative of u with respect to x. Okay? So parang dinistribute lang natin. So u times derivative of v plus v times derivative of u. So palitan lang sila. Okay, so example number 1, find the derivative of f of x equals x squared plus 3x times 2x minus 4. So here's our formula. So we have derivative of u times v with respect to x is equal to u times derivative of v with respect to x plus v times derivative of u with respect to x. So in this problem, u is x squared plus 3x. So ito yung ating u, and then v is 2x minus 4v. Okay, so let's apply the formula. Since we use f of x in the equation, so we can use the symbol for derivative f prime of x. Okay, so we can use f prime of x. So apply this, apply the power rule or derivative of the product. So we have, just copy u. So this is the u, x squared plus 3x. So we have x squared plus 3x times derivative of this term. So we have derivative of 2x minus 4 with respect to x plus 2x minus 4, just copy 2x minus 4, the v, times derivative of u, which is x squared plus 3x. So x squared plus 3x. Okay, so now get the derivative of this term, 2x minus 4, and x squared plus 3x. Okay, so just copy the rest. So we have x squared plus 3x, and then we have derivative of 2x is simply 2. Okay, so we have constant times derivative of x with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So therefore, we have times 2 minus derivative of a constant is 0. So therefore, so derivative na lang ng 2x minus 4 is 2. Plus, so just copy this, we have 2x minus 4. Then, we have derivative of x squared. So derivative of x squared is, using the power rule, we have 2x. So 2 multiplied to x, so that is 2x. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Then derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. So 2x na lang. Plus, the derivative of 3x is simply 3. Okay, so yun na yung simplify na lang natin ito. So paano simplify? Just multiply. Multiply natin yung mga terms natin. So just distribute 2. So we have 2 times x squared, we have 2x squared plus 2 times 3x, so that is 6x, plus, so distribute natin ito, distribute, so using the FOIL method, so we have 2x times 2x, then we have yung outer, 2x times positive 3, then negative 4 times 2x, and then we have negative 4 times positive 3. Okay, so distribute lang natin. So we have 2x times 2x, that is positive 4x squared. Then we have 2x times positive 3, so that is positive 6x. Then we have negative 4 times positive 2x, so that will give us negative 8x. And then negative 4 times positive 3, that is negative 12. Okay, then next is combined like terms. So combined like terms, we have x squared plus 4x squared. So that is equal to 2x squared plus 4x squared. So that is 6x squared. Then the x, we have 6x plus 6x, that is 12x minus 8x. So 12x minus 8x, that is positive 4x. And then the constant, wala nang ibang constant, so just copy negative 12. Okay, so therefore this is now the derivative of x squared plus 3x times 2x minus 4. Okay, so ito na yung answer natin, 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so meron pang isang way para masolve itong derivative nito. So mapapansin nyo, wala namang exponent dito. So pwede natin gamitin na i-multiply muna natin itong binomial, tsaka natin kunin ang derivative. So verify natin kung magiging ganito rin yung answer, 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so try natin. So burahin mo na muna, tandaan na lang natin, 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so i-distribute muna natin. Tingnan natin kung magiging parehas ng answer. So using FOIL method, distribute ulit natin to. So we have first term times the outer, then inner times the last term. So FOIL method. Okay, so multiply muna natin. So pag minultiply muna, kung hindi pa natin kinuha yung derivative, so f of x pa lang ang symbol natin dito. So we have x squared times 2x. So that is 2x cubed. Then x squared times negative 4, we have negative 4x squared. And then 3x times 2x, that will give us 6x squared. And then 3x times negative 4, so that is negative 12x. Okay, then combine the inner terms since we have similar terms, x squared parehas. So combine natin yan. So we have f of x is equal to 2x cubed, negative 4x squared plus 6x, that is positive 2x squared, and then minus 12x. So now we can get the derivative, f prime of x is equal to, so we have constant and power, so just multiply the exponent to the constant. We have 3 times 2, that is 6, then we have x, subtract 1 to 3, so we have 6x squared, plus 2 times 2, so we have 4, then x, 2 minus 1, so the exponent is 1, so no need to write, minus 12x, so the derivative of 12x is 12, times derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. Okay, so we have same answer, 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so magkaiba yung method na ginamit natin, pero nagkamap tayo sa same answer. So pwedeng gamitin ang product rule, or pwede rin naman, since walang exponent, pwedeng i-ano muna natin to. So, FOIL method, tsaka tayo gumamit ng derivative. Okay? So, same answer lang yan. Okay. So, next example. So, purihin ko na. Next example, number 2. Okay, so next example, we have y equals x to the 4th times 3x squared minus 5x cubed. Okay, so in this problem, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung ginawa natin kanina dahil masyadong mahaba yung sagot pag in-expand natin. Yung kanina kasi wala tayong exponent. So in this example, meron tayong exponent na cube. So pag in-expand natin yan, medyo mahaba yan, 4 terms yung kakalabasan. So mas mahirap pa. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito, gagamitin lang natin is the product rule. So, in this expression, so we have u is x squared, and then this term is our v. So, apply the formula. So, we can use the symbol y prime or derivative of y with respect to x. So pares lang din naman yon. So we have, so just copy u. So u is x to the fourth times derivative of this term, b, kasama yung exponent. So we have 3x squared minus 5x cubed with respect to x. Plus v, so this is the v. We have 3x squared minus 5x cubed times derivative of x to the fourth with respect to x. Okay, so now apply the formula. So we have exponent, so we can use the... Okay, so just copy first x to the fourth, and then let's evaluate the derivative of this 3x squared minus 5x cubed. So we can use the formula derivative of u to the n with respect to x. So in this problem, this is the u, 3x squared minus 5x raised to 3. Okay? So use the power rule or power formula. So yung 3, just multiply sa base. The base here or the u is 3x squared minus 5x. So therefore, we have 3 times the base. So we have 3x squared minus 5x raised to, subtract 1, so 3 minus 1, so that is 2, times derivative of the base of u. Derivative of the base natin, so formula natin is n u to the n minus 1 times derivative of u with respect to x. Okay? So we have, so nandito pa lang tayo, n u to the n minus 1 times derivative pa nito. So we have derivative of 3x squared minus 5x with respect to x. So plus this term, we have, so just copy this. We have 3x squared minus 5x cubed times derivative of x to the fourth. So x to the fourth, so same formula. So we have x to the fourth, so we have this multiply 4 to x, so we have 4x. Then subtract 1, 4x cubed. 4x cubed times derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, so no need to write that. Okay, so all we have to do now is get the derivative of this term. Okay? So we have, oops, may na-miss tayo, may bracket dito, so lagyan natin dito. Yan, so kunin lang natin derivative na to. So we have x to the fourth, or we can combine this, x to the fourth and 3. So that is equal to 3x to the fourth times this term, 3x squared minus 5x squared times derivative of 3x squared. Derivative of 3x squared, that is equal to 2 times 3, so that is 6x, then subtract 1, 2 minus 1, so that is 1. So 6x na lang. Minus derivative of 5x is 5. Okay, so plus 4x cubed times 3x squared minus 5x cubed. So kinopya lang natin, pinagpalit natin ng pwesto. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron ba tayong common terms dito? Pwede pa nating ayusin yung answer natin. So simplify natin. I-factor out natin yung mga common term. So ano ba ang common term natin dito? We have x cubed. May x cubed. So yung x to the fourth, may x cubed yung x to the fourth. Then meron tayong common pa dito, 3x squared minus 5x square. So ito, meron din tayong 3x squared minus 5x square. So may matitira pang isa dito. So pag pinactor out natin yon, so para masimplify natin, labas natin yung mga common. So we have, sa 3 and 4 walang common. So just factor out the common. We have x cubed. Common is x cubed. And then we have common of 3x squared minus 5x squared. So pinactor out natin yung common term, square, and then x cubed. So meron pa tayong natira dito na 3. Pinactor out yung x cubed. So x to the fourth to, meron pa na yung natirang x. Then ito, ito na yon, yung term na yun, nilabas na natin. So may natira pa tayo ditong 6x minus 5. Okay? So may natin, okay na tong first term na to. So consider to as first term, ito yung second term natin. So plus, so nilabas natin yung x cube. Ito na yung x cube, nasa labas. Then we have, remaining term is 4. And then we factor out 3x squared minus 5x squared. So meron pa tayong natirang 3x squared, isa pang 3x squared minus 5x. So we have 3x squared minus 5x. Okay? So all we have to do now is simplify this term. So combine like terms tayo dito. So distribute muna natin and then combine like terms. So we have distribute. Then positive 4, distribute. Okay? Since mawawala na tayo ng space, isusulat natin yung final answer dito. So just copy this term. We have x cubed times 3x squared minus 5x squared times, so sulat natin dito yung mga product, tsaka i-add na natin. So dahil wala na kang space. So kung may space pa, pwedeng sulat nyo lang dire-diretso yan. So 3x times 6x, we have 18 x squared, then 3x times negative 5, that is negative 15x. So, i-combine na natin to. So, 4 times 3x squared, that is 12x squared. So, plus yan. Then, positive 4 times negative 5x, that is negative 20x. So, combine. So, we have 18x squared plus 12x squared, that is 30x squared. Then we have negative 15 minus 20, that is negative 35x. Okay, so we can still factor out 5. So 5x cubed, but wala na namang makakancel. So pwede na yung answer na yan. Okay? So this will be our final answer, derivative of y with respect to x. Okay? Okay, so for our last example, we have when f of x equals x times 1 plus x cubed, find f prime of 2. So f prime of 2, that means find the derivative of the function f of x equals x times square root of 1 plus x cubed. Find the derivative, then after finding the derivative, so after finding the derivative, substitute 2 for every x in the derivative, f prime of x. Okay? So, in this problem, we will use the product rule. So, we have u and v. So, the u in this example is the x. So, this is the u, and the v is the square root of 1 plus x cubed. So, this is our v. Okay, so apply now the formula. This formula, the product rule. So, apply the product rule. We have f prime of x is equal to u, that is x, times derivative of square root of 1 plus x cubed with respect to x, plus v, so that is square root of 1 plus x cubed times derivative of u, which is x. Okay, so now, find the derivative of 1 plus x cubed. So we have direct formula for derivative of square root. So nanggaling din yun sa formula na ito, u to the n. Since square root of x, pwede natin yung isulat as, okay, so pakita muna natin kung paano yung formula na-derive dito. Okay, so if we have y equals square root of x, so we can express this as y equals x raised to 1 half. Okay? Then, apply this. So, we have y prime or the derivative is equal to multiply 1 half to the x. We have 1 half x times 1 half minus 1. So, punta dito yung 1 half, then minus 1. 1 half minus 1, so that is equal to negative 1 half. times derivative of x with respect to x. So that will give us y prime is equal to, so put the x raised to negative 1/2 to the denominator because the exponent is negative. So we have 1 over 2 x raised to 1/2, or that is equal to 1 over 2 square root of x. So we have shortcut formula for square root. So the formula is, so the shortcut formula for square root. So we have derivative of square root of u with respect to x. So the formula for this is 1 over, just like this, 2 square root of u times derivative of u with respect to x. Or we can put the derivative of u with respect to x in the numerator, since parehas lang yun. Okay, so para mas madali ng tandaan, so magiging formula ng natin, derivative of u with respect to x, lagay natin dito. So therefore, ang formula na gagamitin na natin, basta nagkaroon ng radical, ay derivative of u with respect to x over, para sa square root lang ito, so hindi sa lahat ng radical, 2 square root of u. So this is now the formula for square root of u. Okay, so again, pag may square root of u, ito lang ang formula natin. Okay? Or yung kanina, times, pag nilagyan nyo ng 1 dito, yung derivative, nakamultiply na lang. So parehas lang din ang ibig sabihin. Okay, so apply natin itong formula na to. At saka itong pinagsama-sama na natin. So we have f prime of x is equal to x times derivative daw ng mga square root. So apply natin to. So magiging ganito na lang yan. So lagyan ng 2 square root of u. Square root of u is yan, 1 plus x cubed. Then, sa denominator is derivative of yung u lang mismo. Derivative of u lang, hindi nakasama yung square root. We have 1 plus x cubed with respect to x. Okay? So, ganun na lang yung ating shortcut na formula. Plus square root of 1 plus x cubed times derivative of x with respect to x. So, that is simply 1. So, no need to write that. So, just evaluate the derivative of this term, 1 plus x cubed. So, we have x. The derivative is, derivative of 1 is 0. So, no need to write the 0 since 0 na yan. So, derivative of x cubed. So, use the power rule. So, we have x cubed. So, the derivative of that is 3x. 3 minus 1, so 2. Times derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. So, ito na lang siya. Over 2 square root of 1 plus x cubed plus square root of 1 plus x cubed. So, this is our f prime of x. Okay? So, ito na yung ating derivative. Or, simplify the numerator. So, if we simplify the numerator, magiging combine nyo lang yan, or multiply. F prime of x is equal to 3x cubed over 2 times square root of 1 plus x cubed plus square root of 1 plus x cubed. So, that is now our derivative. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Ang hinahanap natin is f prime of 2. So, ibig sabihin, isa-substitute natin ang 2 sa derivative natin, f prime of x. So, this is our derivative. So, f prime of 2. Just substitute 2 for every x. So, we have 3. So, x will become 2 cubed over 2 times square root of 1 plus x is 2. So, we have 2 cubed plus square root of 1 plus, again, x is 2, so 2 cubed. So, just simplify. We have 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. So, that is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 3. So, that will give us 24. Over 2. So, we have the square root of 2 cubed. So, that is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 plus 1, so that is square root of 9. Okay? Plus, so same term to, square root of 1 plus 2 cubed, so we have square root of 9. So simplify natin. We have 24 divided by 2, so pag dinivide to, so that is equal to 12 over square root of 9, so that is 3. Plus, square root of 9 again is 3. Then we have 12 divided by 3, so that is 4 plus 3. So final answer, f prime of 2 is equal to 7. Okay? So that's all. So again, ang formula for product rule is derivative of u times v with respect to x is equal to u times derivative of v with respect to x plus v times derivative of u with respect to x. So if we have f prime of 2 or any constant, all we have to do is find the derivative, and then after finding the derivative, substitute the given number. So f prime of 2, substitute natin yung 2 dun sa derivative. So usually kapag meron tayong hinahanap na number f prime of 2, pwede na natin hindi i-simplify yung pinaka-final answer natin. Kasi kahit naman i-simplify natin yun, sa-substitute pa natin yung 2. So yung magiging final answer natin ay single number na lang. Okay? So that's all. So if you learned something, please subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.